Want to turn your photo into a hand-drawn pencil sketch? Here's how to transform any image into a piece of art using just a few simple steps in Adobe Photoshop. Step 1. Duplicate your image. Select the top layer and go to Image Adjustments, Desaturate to turn it black and white, or use Command-Shift-U. Duplicate your layer again and invert the layer using Command-I or Control-I. Now switch the blend mode to Color Dodge. Now blur it. Go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur, and adjust until you see those sketch lines start to appear. You can adjust the brightness and contrast to get your desired look. And there you go, instant pencil sketch. Let's take it a step further. Create a new layer by combining your selected layers and using Command-Control-Shift-E. You can hide your old layers by grouping them. Convert your new layer into a smart object. Let's go to Filter Noise, Add Noise to add some texture to make it look more like pencil markings. I added about 11% of noise. Then go to Filter, Sharpen, Smart Sharpen to add more texture. Adjust the sharpening to the desired look. Now head over to Adobe Stock to add a paper texture. Set the blend mode to multiply for that classic sketchbook feel. Extra credit, make your pencil sketch a colored pencil sketch. Change your pencil sketch layer to luminosity. Adjust your saturation and done. From photo to pencil sketch in just a few steps using Adobe Photoshop. Want more tutorials like this? Be sure to subscribe and check out the Adobe community forums if you have any questions. Thanks for watching and happy creating.